In this video, I'm going to walk you through getting accurate measurements for items you're going to engrave. There's going to be a concentration on measuring items for the rotary tool, especially tumblers, where we'll talk about the difference between using the diameter and using the circumference. So here are a few items you can use to measure items. The ruler that comes with the LaserPecker, digital calipers, a transparent ruler, this ruler that's used to usually measure the circumference of a baby's head, and the most versatile tool, blue painter's tape. Now, digital calipers come in very handy when you're measuring small items. So maybe on this tumbler, if you're trying to measure something like the handle, you can expand it and it will tell you how big the item is. This is big enough to measure the top of the tumbler, and we're right at about 100 millimeters. When measuring using a ruler, I don't like the LaserPecker for measuring the items. I like a transparent one so I can lay it over what I'm measuring. When using the rotary tool, you need to either know the diameter of an item or you need to know the circumference of an item. Now on this tumbler, the diameter is approximately 100 millimeters across. So if you were off by 1 millimeter, you'd be off by 1%. In the other scenario, you can use the circumference, which for this tumbler is approximately 314 millimeters. So if you were off by 1 millimeter, you'd be off by 1/3%. So your error is actually 1/3 using the circumference instead of using the diameter. So the circumference tool you can buy on Amazon for like $5. Wrap it around the tumbler here. And we get about 314 millimeters, which is what I expect on this. First thing you'll want to do is get a clean edge on one side of the tape. So we'll cut that off. And then I'm just gonna rip a length of it. Then put that clean edge down first. And then we're gonna try and keep it flat and smooth as we go around the tumbler. Still have the handle on this one, which makes it a little bit more difficult. Then we find where it overlaps, and we're just gonna mark that with a pen. Let me unwrap that. Lay our painter's tape down. So this is longer than the ruler, so I'm gonna start from the edge and then mark where the 300 millimeters is. And then go from there and measure what the distance is. You can see there, it's right about 13.5. So in total, we're at 313.5 approximately for this tumbler. Out of all these tools, blue painter's tape is my favorite. Wrapping that around the tumbler, marking it, then taking that tape, laying it down flat on a surface and using a ruler to measure it. It gives you 1/3 less error than if you were to use the diameter. Then you take that circumference and you plug that into the app when you're using the rotary tool, and you're gonna have pretty accurate results. I hope you enjoyed this video and follow for more tips.